Good morning and welcome to access controls training for Walden35 project. We're going to do a site walk here, and we're going to review some basic functions, and I'll give you some hints as to what to look for when troubleshooting if we're having any issues. So normal function, this is the bike storage door. Most of the lock functions on the site are fail secure, which means if the locking hardware has no power, it's in a locked state. Most of the doors will have a key override also. So a master key would actually open the door also, along with the access control fobs. Bike storage here is a little different. It's a maglock configuration, so that is a fail-safe device. So what happens is it's powered all the time and locked with the electrical magnet. So a successful badge, light turns green for 5 seconds. That's the unlock time on the badge. All the readers on the site, that's what you should always see when you badge in, if it's a successful badge. If you badge and it stays red, you know that it's not a valid credential for the system, or there's something wrong with the input into it, or we have something with the access control. So that's the big key as for troubleshooting, is when you're looking at that and you need to call us for help, you have some kind of issue with something. That's the first thing you want to look for is, one, when I present a credential, do I get this green light for 5 seconds? If I do, I know that probably the hardware and the software for the access control is working properly. It's probably something more to do with the lock hardware. And in a minute, we'll go in and take a look at the power supplies and the control boards and stuff like that. So if you'll come in here for one minute, I'll show you the difference between what you have to do with the fail secure and fail safe hardware. Okay, so with a maglock, what we're required to do, we have to have 2 ways to exit. One is a wrench detector that will directly disconnect power to the maglock and let us walk out. The other is this push to exit button, which must unlock and remain unlocked for 30 seconds. So there's 2 ways to do it. That will come in handy in here with the bike storage. If you got people moving bikes out or whatever, they can hit that button and it'll unlock for 30 seconds. All right. That's basically the function of the maglock here in this location. Typically, maglocks are required to have a fire alarm interface if there's fire alarm protection in the building. There is no fire alarm protection in this building, so there's no interface that we need to worry about.